Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our fourth chapter differential equations. So I hope you all of you learned up to example 4.18. So today we will start from example 4.19. Okay, let's move to our today's class. I am reading the question. You listen your question in your book. The marginal revenue Y of output Q is given by equation dy by dq equal to q square plus 3y square divided by 2qy. Find the total revenue function when output is 1 unit and the revenue is rupees 5. So already I taught you about the differential equations introductions and how we will find the homogeneous differential equations. This everything I have taught you. So I hope you all of you learned that sections. Okay. So you know how we will find the homogeneous differential equation. So seeing the question itself, you come to know this is a homogeneous differential equations. The thing is the degree must be same. Okay. So from this we will find out it's a homogeneous differential equation. So here they asked to find the total revenue function when output is 1 unit and the revenue is rupees 5. Okay. So first I am writing the MR value, that is marginal revenue, it is given. So given MR, that is marginal revenue, that is given us in the equation as dy by dq equal to q square plus 3y square divided by 2qy. Okay, so take this equation as equation number 1. So in this question they gave it is in the form of dy by q. So here if it is dy by dx, you will take as put y equal to vx. So here it is in the form of dy by dq. Okay, so we will take y as dq. Understand? So you have a doubt why you are taking put y equal to vx only, for all the problem why we are taking vq. The reason is here dy by dq. So we are going to take in the y as equal to vq. It's not vx. Okay. Put y is equal to vq. So if we are differentiating this one, what will happen? dy by dq equal to v v form, v plus q into dv by dq. Okay, substitute this value in equation number 1. So what will happen? Equation number 1 implies substitute this value there. So v plus q into dv by dq equal to q square plus, in the place of y you need to substitute vq. Okay, substitute there, 3 into v square q square divided by 2q into vq. Okay, that is v plus q into dv by dq equal to q square. You can take common. So from this 3 plus 1 plus 3 v square, denominator q into q square is there. So 2q square v. So this will get cancelled. The balance is v plus q into dv by dq equal to 1 plus 3v square divided by 2v. Bring this v to this side. Q into dv by dq equal to 1 plus 3v square divided by 2v minus v. Okay, so you can bring this q also to the next side. You can use the variable separable. Before that you need to simplify this also, that is q into dv by dq equal to 1 plus 3v square. Here the LCM is 2v, so you will multiply with this. From this you will get minus 2v square. Correct? So you will get the balance as q into dv by dq equal to 1 plus 3v square minus 2v square means v square divided by 2v. Now we are going to use variable separable method. That is, we'll cross it, is it right? So 2v dv, this one will come this side. So how much you will get? 2v divided by 1 plus v square into dv equal to dq by q. This one you know it, right? We will separating the terms. Okay, so now you are going to integrate this. Now you can integrate this. On integrating, we are going to integrate, that is 2v divided by 1 plus v square into dv equal to integration of dq by q. Integrating time, log of 1 plus v square is equal to log q plus 1 constant, that is log c. So what will happen? Log of 1 plus v square is equal to log a plus log b means log ab, correct? Log of qc. Log get cancelled. So what's the balance? 1 plus v square is equal to q into c. Now we are going to replace. What you will replace? Y is equal to bq. So what's the value for v here? Equal to y by q. Replace in the place of v as y by q. So what will happen? 1 plus y square by q square is equal to cq. Okay, simplify. Q square plus y square divided by q square is equal to cq. Cross it. Q square plus y square is equal to c into q square into q means qq. So take this equation as 2. It is given in the question the output, that is given output is 1 unit and revenue is rupees 5. So we are going to substitute that in equation number 2. So what will happen? So we are going to substitute, that is 1 plus q y square means 5 square is equal to c into 1. Okay, so 1 plus 25 means 26 is equal to c. Now what's the value for c? Equal to 26. Now substitute in 2. So equation 2 implies substitute the c value there. So q square plus y square is equal to 26 into qq. This is the total revenue function. Understand? So it's very easy. So everything same model. But when you are seeing the problem, it will be somewhat big problem. That's the only reason. So go through that and learn it. Okay, students. Then exercise 4.3, first Roman. Already I asked you to complete 2 and 4. So today your homework is exercise 4.3, first Roman, fifth problem is your homework. Sorry, fifth problem. Exercise 4.3, fifth problem is your homework. Okay, exercise 4.3, fifth problem is your homework. In this exercise, second problem, fourth problem already I gave homework. Today your homework is fifth problem. So first problem, third problem and 6 and 7 we need to do. So we will start from first problem now. Okay, take down exercise we are going to do. Exercise 4.3, solve the following. Solve the following homogeneous differential equations. First one, x into dy by dx is equal to x plus 1. X into dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Okay, so very easiest problem. One more problem for your practice. I am going to do the lessons. Okay, x into dy by dx is equal to x plus y. So x into dy by dx is equal to x plus y. So first you will find out dy by dx. So what's this dy by dx? X plus y divided by x. Okay. So it is equation number 1. So next step, what will you do? Put y is equal to dx. Substitute here. That is, if you are differentiating, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So substitute in equation number 1 mark. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, in the place of y you need to substitute as vx. So x plus vx divided by x. So x into dv by dx is equal to x plus vx, v plus divided by x. Okay, so v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, x is common, so 1 plus v divided by x. This will get cancelled. X into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v. You can bring this to here, so minus v. It will get cancelled. So dv by dx is equal to 1 by dx. Okay, so now we are going to separate it. So what you will get, dv is equal to dx by x. You will integrate, is it right? So integrating time, what will happen? Integrate, what is the integration of dv? That is v. So v is equal to log x plus log c. So v is equal to log of xc. So put v is equal to y by x. Substitute here, y by x is equal to log of xc. So when you need to remove this log, you will take the power as e, is it right? So e power y by x is equal to xc. So for your, according to your book answer, that is e power y x, they brought the c here. So c equal to x. So already I taught you c must be anywhere. C must be anywhere. Okay. So if there is a c is a constant, is it right? So 1 by c also can be written as c. So c e power y by x is equal to x. It's answer. 6. It's answer. Understand? So very easy. So first problem. Okay. So those who already I asked you to complete, those who not completed, please do it. Okay. Okay. So then one more problem we will do in the same model. That is problem number 3. Okay. Question is x into dy by dx minus y equal to square root of x square plus y square. So first you will find out dy by dx is equal to square root of x square plus y square. If you are bringing this minus y to this side, it will change as plus y. If you are bringing the x to this side, it will change as x. If you need, you can do write one more step. Okay. So next step, what will you do? Put y is equal to dx. Correct. So what will happen? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay. So now take this as equation number 1 and substitute there. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, substitute there, square root of x square plus v square x square. So v square plus x square. Okay. So x square plus, in the place of y you need to substitute as vx. So vx divided by x. Okay. So that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, shall we take inside the square root x square as common? So the balance is 1 plus v square plus vx divided by x. Okay. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square inside the square root. So if you are taking outside, it will change as x. So 1 plus v square plus vx divided by x. Okay. So it is 1 plus v square plus x. Okay. So here also x is there. So you can take both the terms x as common. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x as common. So square root of 1 plus v square plus v divided by x. So x and x will get cancelled. You can bring this v to this side. So what will happen? X into dv by dx is equal to square root of 1 plus v square plus v minus v. So this will get cancelled. So what's the balance? dv by dx is equal to x, you can bring this side. So 1 plus v square divided by x. Understand students up to this? Okay. Next what will you do? Next we will separate the terms, that is dv by square root of 1 plus v square is equal to integration of dx by x. So you have learned the formula of integration dx by square root of x square plus a square is equal to log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay. So this formula we will use it here. So first you need to change this, that is dv by square root of v square plus 1 is equal to integral of dx by x. So what will happen? Log of modulus of v plus square root of v square plus 1 is equal to log x plus log c. That is log of modulus of v plus square root of v square plus 1 is equal to log a plus log b means log a plus b, log a plus log b means log ab. So log xc. So log and log get cancelled. What's the balance? Modulus of v plus square root of v square plus 1 is equal to xc. So put y is equal to v is equal to y by x. Substitute here y by x plus square root of y by x the whole square plus 1 is equal to xc. So y by x plus square root of y square plus x square divided by x square equal to xc. So y by x plus, if you are taking this x square term outside, it will change as x. Okay. Square root of y square plus x square divided by x is equal to xc. X is a common LCM. So y plus square root of y square plus x square equal to xc. If you need, you can cross multiply. That is y plus square root of y square plus x square is equal to x square c. So this is the answer for this question. Understand students? Okay. Very easiest question. So do it. Okay. So sixth problem we will need to do. That sixth problem we will do in the next class. Okay. Now we will do seventh problem. Okay. So sixth problem we will do it in our next class. So today we will do the seventh problem. Okay. Question number 7. I am reading the question from your book. Listen students. Sixth problem we will do in the next class. Today we will learn seventh problem. An electric manufacturing company makes small household switches. The company estimates the marginal revenue function or these switches to be, one function is given where x represents the number of units in 1000. What's the total revenue function? Okay, it is given as one function. The function is x square plus y square into dy equal to xy into dx. So x square plus y square into dy. Okay, bring this dx here. That's equal to xy. So this when you bring it here, dy by dx is equal to xy divided by x square plus y square. So put y is equal to vx. So in the differentiating time, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. This is equation number 1. Substitute in one. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to x into vx divided by x square plus v square x square. Okay. So next what will you do? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square v divided by x square plus v square x square. So x into dv by dx is equal to x square. Can write it next step. So x square v divided by x square is common means 1 plus v square. So this will get cancelled. So x into dv by dx is equal to v divided by 1 plus v square minus v. So x into dv by dx is equal to v minus d plus minus into minus means minus. So 1 plus v square is it, right? So v into 1 plus v square you will get. So you will get as v plus v cube, correct? So how much you will get? Minus, is it right? So divided by 1 plus v square. So this will get cancelled. What's the balance? X into dv by dx is equal to minus v cube divided by 1 plus v square. Now you will use the separator. Okay, so we will separate it and we will integrate. That is 1 plus v square divided by v cube into dv equal to minus, that is dx by x. So minus you will keep it here, remaining terms that side. Okay, minus you can keep it this side, so you will separate it. Okay, so 1 plus v cube plus integration of v square by v cube into dv, here also dv equal to minus log x plus log c. So you will integrate separately, that is v. So this v power means we will bring this v power minus 3 dv plus integral of 1 by v dv equal to minus log x plus log c. So this one v power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus log v equal to minus log x plus log c. So what's this one? So this one minus 1 by, you can bring this to here, so 2v square is equal to log c by x, that is a minus b divided by, if you are bringing this one this side, it will changes minus log v. So again this one if you are applying means by v you will get. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 v square is equal to log of c by x into 1 by v. That's minus 1 by 2 v square is equal to log c by xv. So minus 1 by 2 v square is equal to c by vx is changes y. So if we need to take this as remove the log, so e power minus 1 by 2 v square is equal to c by y. So y is equal to c by e power minus 1 by 2 v square. So y is equal to c pi. Is it right? We will write c anywhere else. So if we are bringing this power to numerator, this minus will change this. So 2v square. So v square can be changes y by x. Is it right? So y square by x square. Okay, so if you are bringing this 2 up, that is y is equal to c e x square by 2y square. This is a required answer. Understand? So very easy. For that I am moving. I was moved somewhat fast. Okay, go through, it will be very easy. So here you integrated. So in the place of this one, here it is log plus log v. If you need, you can write one more step. Bring this to minus. Again a by b we will apply. So log of c by y. So y is equal to, if it is minus power plus, then in the place of v we will apply as y by x. So y square by x square. So this is a requirement. Okay students. So up to 6th problem we have completed. Sorry, 7th problem we have completed. 6th problem we have not completed. So next class we will complete the 6th problem and we will move to the next section. Okay students, don't waste the time. Please learn everyday portion. Don't omit anything. This all will be helpful for you. We won't repeat this. Do the homework. Only one problem I gave the homework. Please try it. It will be very easy. Each and every problem have the same procedure. Try to do. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. Okay students, thank you.